Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the brand new full-on camping tent. It's a 2 up to 4 person tent. And we have here a fast assembled tent. That means you will only need around about 1 minute to get this tent into position. Yeah. It's a waterproof dome tent with 2 mesh doors, UV protection, windproof for camping and outdoor use, and of course foot tracking. No special skills are required. This nearly instant liftable tent is easy to assemble. So let's perform this now. We simply unfold the tent, and if we unfold the tent is done, you see it's really easy because you have to get this tent into position in the upward position. Then you have, of course, easy peasy. Unfold it, press the top button, and job's done. It will stand there like a good tent. Yeah, that's really easy and cool. It can be easily set up by one person. We enjoy the joy of camping with an ease. And the waterproof tent is made of 210D Oxford cloth. It has 3 layers of waterproof materials, including a 5000mm PU coating. The waterproof tape is applied to each seam, and the bottom uses the PU 5000 waterproof Oxford Plus to effectively filter out our soil moisture and prevent rain leakage. The 30 poles made of high-strength fiberglass, as you can see, and there no worry about being blown away by the wind. And you see they are so bendable and easy to operate. And the Nice Full-on camping stand with an unfolded size of 230 to 200 to 140 centimeter. This is enough for up to four people with a comfortable and private space. Okay, 4 people are not so private, but it's possible. The quick pitch tent can be stored in the 17 to 78 centimeter carrying bag. The through-foot design carrying bag is sewn with a fabric instruction to protect against loss and rain. It is perfect for family camping, traveling, fishing, backpacking, excursions, parties, mountaineering, etc., etc. And this waterproof 4-person tent features 2 large separate doors for easy entry and smooth closure. The inner separate mesh screen and outer separate nylon layers allows for easy switching between high breathability and complete privacy. We can enjoy these surroundings from inside the outdoor dome tent without worrying about mosquitoes and insects getting in. The carrying bag is sewn with waterproof inspection to prevent the loss of this. You see, it's really comfortable to get this tent into position. We have 100% waterproof tent here, and it's proof about blowing away by using wind or something else, because it's a stable surface. It's a nice and easy assembly system. And it protects you against sun, it protects you against rain, and of course, it's a good and nice mosquito protection as well. You see, easy peasy, yeah? You see, fast and reliable. This brings us the new full-on camping tent. It's a fast and reliable camping tent, which is comfortable, and it looks really cool. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. And you see, to disassemble, it's easy as a breeze too. The only thing is you should let open one door, then it's much easier than like I performed this now. But it is possible, as you can see, to get this with closed doors too. Oh yeah. See you next time. The Dancing Pow. Oh yeah. Sun.